Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's about 2:30 Monday afternoon, I think. Yeah, Monday 2:30 afternoon. I've just been to see my granddaughters and I've just sort of switched the camera on and say hello to everybody, and we'll have a little wander through the town. Once again, there's been some more new messages coming through about my situation, and I just want to say thank you once again for all the messages. Try and get back to normal, get some more vlogs out for you, let you see a little bit of everyday Blackpool. It's just yeah, I'm a bit all over the place at the moment, but and it's a very windy day, so I don't even know if this is going to be any good because of the wind. But yeah, we'll just have a wander through the town. Once I head into the middle of January, we'll get back to normal and get my mojo back, and everything will be alright. But yeah, just bear with me. Won't go down on that seafront today because it's just going to be really blowy and I haven't got the phone with the external mic on it. Just wander through the town. Yeah, it's quite a blowy day here in Blackpool today. Let's have a wander through Elms Hill, shall we? At least there won't be any wind there. I know most of you do understand what's gone on, and yeah, my mojo upbeat may not be very good at the moment, but got to keep coming out and you've got to keep going. So yeah, just bear with me, and yeah, we will get back to normal. But anyway, let's have a wander through here, see what's going on in Elms Hill. Crowded in here and all. Sales, all about sales and clearing stuff out now, but I think sales happen all year round now, don't they? Sales are only about what people don't want anyway, anymore. Discontinued lines. Everybody loves shopping, don't they? All the money people spend at Christmas. And they're out there again. A lot of people wandering about. You never know if they're just window shoppers, all this money being spent. A bit of both, I think. Yeah, we do a few different things. Once we get out of January, a few different places. We've had a few new subscribers, so thank you for subscribing. Hope you're going to enjoy the channel. It's quite a cold day actually, as well as being windy. Not sure if I need anything or not today. Yeah, it's got that wintry feel about Blackpool today. Yeah, generally there is quite a few people about.
Why not? It was like rain. The food was decent as well.
Oh, they're having cold. Still cold. And not the wind. It's easier to film in. Bread basket there, don't know what's going to become of that. All the equipment's gone out of there now, all the kitchen equipment, displays. Somebody will probably take it on. It looks like there's another pop-up shop in Clifton Street there, where the old vape shop was. It didn't open for very long, selling vapes, but yeah, looks like they're selling shoes and trainers. Definitely only a pop-up shop, so if you're local you might be able to grab yourself a bargain in there. Don't know if anybody's tried that coffee shop yet. Yeah. Back on the famous Talbot Road. well, we got to see a tram today. Yeah, just walking out of town now. A little bit of Dixon Road here. Oh, very slowly, the nights will start to get lighter now, which is good. I think I noticed a slight difference yesterday, to be honest. Whether it was just me, I don't know. Anyway, we do a little bit of a detour, just get you to look at the seafront, and hopefully it will be bearable for you to listen to. Have a little nip down Francis Street for those I've not seen this little tiny street. A little bit of Francis Street, little tiny street. Used to be cobbled street this at one time. I know we're covering places we've been to before, but it's just about visiting the town and seeing what's going on and walking around. I love this little street, I do. Right, yeah, we'll just show you the scene right now. You're not a tram. Tiffany's and Claremont there. Right, I hope this last bit with a bad wind wasn't too bad for you. I'm going to say goodbye, and yeah, just bear with me. I'll get back to myself. I know most of you do understand, and I hope you enjoyed this little walk around the town on this windy cold day. I'll just give you one last glance at the sun and give you an update on the time, because it's 3:14, so it's going to look dark when I turn the camera around, but it's not actually dark. But yeah, thanks a lot again, and there's a nice glance at the sun. Bye bye for now. Take care.